Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I just want to do a quick portfolio update. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Discord, Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. We already have 40 members in there. We would love for you to come join us, collaborate, learn new strategies, and let's all go find the next hottest stock. I want to be as transparent as I can by showing you my portfolio. It's down today. Most people will not show you their down days. They'll only show you the money that they made in the market. Yeah, that's cool and everything, but that's not the reality. The reality is we're going to have green days and we're going to have red days. And right now, for me, I'm having a red day. And I've been having red days for a while now. And that's because I'm invested in a lot of meme stocks, a lot of penny stocks. And right now, the small caps are not doing well. And that's okay. Because I know what stocks I'm invested in. I know what they're capable of. And I'll just continue to hold and try to average down whenever I can. So if you guys are having a red day, just know that it can recover if you strongly believe in the company you're invested in. So let's take a look at my 1 year. It's still up 40%, all-time high 42%. So take a look at my positions here. We have BlackBerry cover call. So I've been trying to stress to people to sell cover calls against their shares. If you guys have 100 shares of the underlying stock, as long as they offer options, you can sell cover calls against them. The only risk is that you lose the upside potential. In that case, if you don't want to lose your shares, you can just keep rolling the contract over, but majority of the time, you won't get assigned. As long as you have a strike price that is out of the money. For example, BlackBerry current price right now is at $8.74. I sold a 14 strike price, and this is out of the money. I'm not going to get assigned because it's so far from the strike price. There would have to be some crazy news that comes out to drive the stock price up, but until then, it's going to expire worthless today. I collected $16 on every 100 shares that I have, and I sold 8 contracts. So I collected $128. Next, we have SOS cash secure put. This is the complete opposite. So instead of putting 100 shares as collateral, I am using money as collateral. So we need to put up $500 for this particular option. Usually you would just multiply 100 times the strike price to get the collateral. So it'll be 500 for this. I collected $50 and it says SOS break even is at 450. So as long as the share price is above that, I will be profitable. I could roll this over to next week, but I do believe that SOS will recover next week or sometime soon. If I do get assigned, which I am because SOS price is below $5, that's fine because on Monday, I can sell a cover call against my 100 shares and collect a premium from that. That's exactly what I did. On Monday, I received $25 because I already have 100 shares of SOS. So I can keep selling cover calls against my shares to reduce my cost basis. And then I also did one on Nano Dimension, collected $22. Nokia as well. Nikola as well. So Genius, for some reason, Genius is not letting me roll it over. So I will get a sign on this. But I collected $26, making my break-even price to $174. Right now, it's at $154. So I will only be down $20 if the price stays around $154. So total, I'll be down $40, but it's better than being down more than $50 for every 100 shares because I received that premium, which helps reduce the cost basis. Then we have JAGX cover call as well. And then SOS cash secure put. I rolled this one over already to next week because there's a 6 strike price. BNGO, I also rolled this over. Since same thing, rolled it over. So we do have the option to do that. And when we roll a contract over, we must first buy it back. So it does show as a loss, but once it expires worthless, our profits will cover the loss that we took plus more. Now we're getting into call options. So instead of receiving a premium, I have to pay a premium. So it's unfortunate. So I try to tell people, try to stay away from call options because we cannot predict time, where the stock would go in a short amount of time. So for example, Nokia, I'm already down 4,100. And the reason why is because when I bought Nokia, the implied volatility was extremely high. And when the implied volatility is high, we want to be selling options, not buying options. For me, I got caught. I got FOMO and I got in. Now I'm holding on to 50 contracts with an average cost of $149. Right now, the cost is $66. So I'm down over $4,000. Thankfully, it expires in 2023. So I do have plenty of time for the stock to go up. Now we're getting into stocks. AMC, wow, I can't believe it. The hedgies are trying to keep it below $10. Look, it's $9.58. It did break above 10 earlier this morning, but now we're back down again. A lot of call options are going to expire worthless. Let's take a look at how many options are there. Oh, that's strange. It's not even letting me see the options for today. It's only showing me April 23rd. Interesting. Okay, next we have Nikola, Baxart, BlackBerry, I'm down. Same thing happened here. Got caught. Now I'm holding it. It's okay to show your losses. There's nothing wrong with that. And I feel that when I'm showing people my losses, they try to stay away because they think that I'm not making money. Well, I made a good amount of money last year and beginning of this year, and I'm sure a lot of people did. Now we're showing losses. It happens. As a day trader, as an investor, there's going to be losses throughout the year, and that's fine. That's the learning process. Then we have Sands. A lot of stocks that I'm holding, a lot of people are currently holding, especially Sundial. So right now, my average cost is $171, and Sundial is below $1 now. So if you guys were thinking about buying Sundial, now would be a great time to buy it. It's under $1. And then we have JAG-X. I sold cover calls against these. And Lukewan. Oh, Lukewan's not doing well. I have 1,000 shares. Assertio and SOS. So there you go. Its portfolio is not doing well, and that's okay. There's still time for me to recover everything. And I say that is because I'm not holding on to that many call options. If I was holding on to a lot of call options that expire this month or next month, then I would be worried. But since I'm holding on to leap call options that expire a year from now, 2 years from now, and shares, I can hold on to them as long as I can. And I do have 3 other portfolios. I started a 10K challenge. So if you guys want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I do post daily. And we're just going to try to build that $10,000 portfolio by strictly during the wheel strategy. What that is we sell a cash secure put. Let's say we get a sign. Now we're going to sell a cover call, and we do it over and over. Come join me. Come join the team. And let's try to turn a red portfolio into a green portfolio. Thanks so much for watching. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4. So you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock. which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.